Hello, welcome back once again. Today is another day, and today I'm going to give you a brief. This one is going to be something brief and short. I'm going to take you through how to hide the Microsoft Access splash screen. Yes, when opening it or when loading it. But this one, there are two ways you can do so. The first one, let me open the database, like the shuffle game database. Yes, now you see that. Let me exit it. When I double click it, you see the splash screen is showing. Yes, so we are going to hide it. There are two options. The first option here is you right click this one, then you go to send to, then you come to desktop to create shortcut. Yes, now let me minimize this, then I bring it here. So this one, you right click, then you go to properties, then you come to, so under properties, come to the run, and the run, you see there's a normal window here. Click here and come to minimize. So when you click on apply and OK, so now let's open it and see. It's in yes, so there is it, and we didn't see the splash screen. Yes, so when it opens like this, you just go on start and you start playing your game. That is it. So this is the first method. But one thing about this one is that, okay, I'm going to open another one. Okay, so this one too is the school database, the advanced one. So I'll open it, double click to open, and that one, this one to show the splash screen. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'll right click, create a shortcut on the desktop, send to, then go to desktop shortcut. Let me minimize this one. Then I'll open it. So when I open, it is still showing. So we are repeating the same procedure we did for the game. I right click this one, then I go to properties. So properties, then I come to the normal window, I come to minimize, then apply and click on OK. So when I double click on do with me school, it has opened, but I didn't show. Now it is down here on the taskbar. You see, it has opened and it has minimized, so I can maximize it to show it. Yes, but this time, instead of it to show, it didn't show, it minimized. Why? Because this method, let me close this one. The method I'm using right now works when your main form or your welcome form or your the startup form is a pop-up form. Yes, but in the case of the school database, since that one, it doesn't use any pop-up form, it will minimize everything to the taskbar. And this one leads us to the second method. As for the second method, it will work with both. Either it is a pop-up form or it is a normal form. It's going to work with it, and that's what we are going to do. So now I'll clean the shortcut right now. Then I'll open the first one. Yes, there is the number shuffle game. Let me double click and see. Yes, it is showing. So now I'll exit it. Yes. Here you need, for the second method, you need any image editing application like Photoshop, CorelDRAW, any application that you can use to edit images or pictures. But there's a default image editor in Windows. Yes, and that's Paint. We are going to use Paint. That one is very, very simple and you can do it. And this one, if you have a logo, you have any picture you want to use, you can use any picture of your choice. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to do something to represent something. Yes, so that in case if you don't have any image or any logo or any picture, you can do something for yourself to make it work. Yes, so I'm going to open the Paint. I'll open the Paint. When the Paint opens like this, everything is white. Just reduce, like zoom to get the size you want. So now here I'm just going to add something. Yes, so come to the big A here, the letter A, click on it, and you click here to enter something. So let's say welcome. Just enter anything. Welcome. Welcome to this one. You can make some adjustment here and position it at where you want it to be. Then Control A to highlight. Then it's select the color. Okay, let you maintain the black. Yes. Then you click somewhere to leave it. Then you add another one to do with me school. All right, so this one too, you have to resize it. Then you bring it here. So let me change the color to something like this. But before then, you have to select Control A to select everything. Yes, to select, do it something like this. All right, so we just maintain this. We can add anything. The design depends on you, how you want it to be. You can add any design, any size, any shape. Let's say, okay, let me add something like this. All right, and all right, it's okay. So now you click on File, then it comes to Save As. So the Save As, you just give it a name. Let's say, and one thing you should know is that the name you give to this your image, your design, make sure it bears the same name with your access file. Yes, so like this one, when we come to here, we have number shuffle game. So we can even click on it, copy, Control C to copy. Yes, then you just Control V to paste, and you browse to where it is. So you browse to where it is. This one is at the, let me check where it is. Okay, it is at the document. So you come to document, then you go to games. Think inside games. Yes, so you just then after then you come to the save as, the file format. You click the drop down, then you select 24-bit bitmap. Yes, that's the format we want. Then you click on what? Save. So now you've saved it. So I'll just close this one. No, let me minimize it. Then we go to the folder and open our game from there to see. So now this one, I'll just double click. And I double click, you see it has now opened. Yes, it has now what? Open. But you see my machine is too fast. That's why I didn't see. Yes, it's too fast. That's why you didn't see. So let me exit it and open it again. It has opened. It has opened and we didn't see any access flash screen. Yes, that is it. So now let me exit it and go and try the second one too. So the second one, but before then I'll copy this image. Okay, let me close it. The second one, let me, so there's the second one. Then I'll open it. So when I open, the splash screen is showing. I'll close it and I'll come to the paint. I'll go to the paint. I'm going to use the same thing. We are not going to start again. So I'll go to file, save as, then this one. So I'll browse where the school database file, that one is on this drive. Then do with me school. So I'll open it and I'll just rename it. The name is do with me school. Yes, it's here. So I'll just change I'll just clean the extension. Then we maintain the format, go to save and wait for it to save. Alright, so now it is done. So I'll minimize it. Then here I'm going to open I'll open, double click to open. So you see now the flash screen didn't show again. Yes, so this is how we can do it. And with this one, it helps, like it makes your database looks professional and nice, so that even if someone is around, the person may not know that you did this one in Microsoft Access. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find this tutorial helpful, kindly subscribe, like, share, and click on the notification bell for future tutorials. Until we meet again, please take care and bye bye.